How to request a refund or cancel a GoGift order. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to gogift.com. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your order history or the section where your gift card purchases are listed. Find the order you want to cancel or request a refund for. Check the order details and look for any available options to cancel the order or request a refund. Some orders may have a cancel button or a refund request link. If you don't see this option, or if your order is already processed, the best step is to contact GoGift customer support directly. Explain your situation clearly, providing your order number and reason for the cancellation or refund request. GoGift support will review your request and guide you through the next steps according to the refund policy. Remember, refund eligibility may depend on the type of the gift card, its status, and the time elapsed since purchase. Always review GoGift's terms and conditions for refunds to understand your rights. Now you know how to request a refund or cancel a GoGift order. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.